Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your Grand Circle tour of Tomorrowland. Visiting this land of tomorrow. The People Mover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see. And now, Tomorrowland Transit Authority proudly presents Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. If your future includes shopping, you will want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy. Put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket. We're now entering one of the real wonders of our world, Space Mountain. Blast off on a high-speed outer space adventure and complete to the cosmos.
Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
Thank you, Mr. Mark.